Hey there, today we are looking at the All-Clad 12-quart multi-pot with strainer. This stainless steel set includes a massive pot and lid along with perforated and steaming inserts. It is exceptionally well suited for blanching vegetables, canning, and making large batches of pasta. High-polished stainless steel construction ensures durability, while double riveted handles provide a secure grip. This cookware handles heavy daily use and remains oven-safe up to 600 degrees. It is fully compatible with any stovetop, including induction for maximum versatility in the kitchen. Upgrade your cooking experience today with this professional-grade multi-pot. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.